You are going to love the 2018 LC. The Lexus LC is a luxury coupe like no other. Design, performance, and handling all make this vehicle stand out in a crowd. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.